Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a multiple choice question in part 2 of DSE about effect of data changes on measure of dispersion and measures of central tendency. Okay, so M1, R1, and V1 mean, range, and variance. So I'm afraid we need to, mean, range, and variance. Okay, so never mind. Here we have x1 and then this. Good. So the original group of numbers are 100 numbers. So here we have m1. Oh, m1 was this, so that would be the original mean. Okay, so that means that we try to insert a datum equivalent to the original mean into a data set. So statement 1, m1 equals m2. Good. So m1, okay, would be the mean of 100 numbers of the original data set. So that's why m1 times 100 will equals to the sum of all the data of the original data sets. And then m2 would be similarly. And then you can see that, and then if you try to do the subtraction of the two equations, so 100 m1 minus 101 m2, so all cancelled except m1 here, and then in that case, right, oh, I swap it. So this is negative m1, negative m1. So in that case, right, 101 m1 equals to 101 m2. So m1 equals m2. So that's why statement 1 is correct. Good. Statement 2. So R1 equals R2. Good. So R1 will be equals to the x max minus the x mean. That means the maximum, the datum with the maximum value, okay, in the original data set, and then x mean will represent the datum with the minimum value, okay, in the original data set. So R1, and then note that, I think that's the key. Since M1 is the mean of the original data set, so that's why I'm afraid it would be the line between the original range. So that's why, okay, with the introduction of M1 in the original data set, the maximum and the minimum value won't be changed. So that's why still these two. So that's why statement 2 is correct. Good. And then finally, so that would be about the variance stuff. So just like the mean thing, so 100 v1 equals to x1 minus m1 all square plus x2 minus m1 all square plus blah 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 x100 minus m1 all square, and then 101 v2 equals to x2, is that x2? No, x1 again, and then minus x1, because m2 equals m1, m2 m equals m1, the two means are the same. So what's the difference? So x100 minus m1 all square, and then plus m1 minus m1 all square. Now I want to emphasize on this part. This is the extra datum. This is the introduction of the new datum into the data sets. But since the two means are the same, so that's why you can see the sum of the data, okay, would remain unchanged compared with the original data sets. So here, if we try to do the equation subtraction, so you can see that 100 V1 minus 101 V2 equals to 0. If we try to make V1 as the subject, so V1 will equals to 101 over 100 V2. So this is definitely bigger than or equal to V2 because 101 over 100 is bigger than 1. It's bigger than 1. But V2 can be 0 when all the data is the same. So that's why V1 equals to V2 may not be true. Because okay, V1 can be bigger than V2. So that's why statement 3, I'm afraid it may not be true. So that's why here only statements 1 and 2 are true. So that's why final answer, the correct option would be option A. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.